Hello friends, I am Dr. Kiran Chouka, Senior Orthopedic Surgeon, Joint Replacement Surgeon at Manipal Hospital, Yeshwanthpur. Today I am here to tell you about how to avoid or postpone the knee replacement surgery. So we evaluate when a person comes to us with severe knee pain, we evaluate with x-rays and we categorize them into category 1, grade 1, 2, 3 and 4. Obviously when they are into 3rd and 4th grade, they need a surgery, but what to do about the 1st and 2nd grade people? So initial stage, what they should do so that they can postpone the surgery. I tell them to strengthen their thigh muscles. I tell them to reduce some weight. There are certain treatments like stem cells which will definitely postpone the knee replacement surgery, and there are certain medicines which will help them to get relief from the pain as well as postpone the procedure.